My life, history and past, and present in futuro. In past, I was born in a small town where I spent the first few years of my life surrounded by nature. I was always curious about the world, often asking questions and exploring every corner of my every moment. As a child, I was particularly passionate about reading and learning. Spent countless hours immersed in books, discovering net ideas and different cultures. Present today, I'm live Restrepo, working in counting every day. I have the opportunity to contribute to this industry and make meaningful impact. My work gives me a great sense of fulfillment and constantly challenge to learn new things and think creatively. Outside of work, I'm passionate about mm, is running, is running, which help me study balance and spirit. And future long hand in a city about the possibility. I have big dreams and I am determined of keep pushing myself over them. One of my main goals for the future is to um, counting. I also plan to come to develop my lab and exploring next areas of interest in marketing. I am here to contribute more to community where uh, road throughout my work or through voluntary in the years to come. I hope to create a lasting impact and spirit of there to follow their passion and dreams. Thank you.